I'm Marian Alfonso Bangloy, 42 years old, married, and I have two kids. All are boys, 17 years old and 9 years old. I'm graduated Bachelor of Science in Commerce. I was working at Hong Kong since 2019 to 2023 as domestic helper. I do a household chores such as ironing, washing clothes, cleaning, car washing, cooking, marketing, and also a car wash and taking care of pets like dogs and cats. And I was also working at Taiwan since 2011 to 2014, do a household chores such as ironing, cooking, washing, cleaning, co- do a marketing, washing car, and also taking pet taking care of pets like dogs, and also working at a Qatar since 2009 to 2011, such as a domestic helper, taking care of kids, and do a household chores such as ironing, washing, laundry, cleaning, and cooking, and also a car wash. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, honest, and patient, and I'm willing to learn about my job, and I am willing also to interview if some questions. Thank you and God bless you. And please check my profile at Library Helper.